magnification. It is defined as the ratio of image distance to object distance. For the linear or transverse magnification, right, it can be defined as the ratio of height of image to height of object. So you know well, image distance nothing but v, and object distance represented by the letter small u, and height of image hi, height of object ho. So we can write magnification, it is denoted by the letter small m. So m is equals to minus v by u, or height of image to height of object hi by ho. So this is the formula of magnification. Let's prove this. Let me prove the magnification, that m is equals to minus v by u. For that, let me consider concave mirror, and here OA is object, is placed in front of the concave mirror, and consider the ray you know well, it is a pole, and consider another ray which is passing through center of curvature. So if the ray travel through center of curvature is undeviated or retrace its own path, so it can come back it's in the same way. So here the two reflected rays meet, then we get the image here, right? And this point consider m and a dash. So here two similar triangles we can see, they are APO and A dash PM. You know, if the triangles are similar, we can write from the diagram AO by A dash M, that is equals to PO by PM. So here it is very clear, AO is nothing but height of object. Height of object is denoted by the letter HO by A dash M. It is image, so this become height of image, that is HI. As per the sign conventions, it gets the negative sign, equals to PO. PO, the distance from pole to the object, is called object distance, and it is denoted by the letter small u, right? And it also gets the negative sign by PM, the distance from the pole to image, called image distance, it is denoted by the letter V. It is also gets the negative sign for the concave mirror as per the sign conventions. So now minus minus get cancelled, so we'll get HO by minus HI, that is equals to U by V. We can write HI by HO is equals to, minus goes to another side, right? That is V by U. As per the definition, height of the ratio of height of the image to height of the object, right, equals to magnification, that is equals to minus V by U. Hence proved. Hence it is proved. Let's solve one example problem based on the magnification. Question number 1. A concave mirror produces 4 times magnified image of an object placed at 10 centimeter from it. Find the position of the image. First of all, we should write given from the question. What are the given? Concave mirror produces 4 times magnified image. So magnification is given, that is equals to 4 times, m is equals to 4. Then next, object is placed at 10 centimeters from it, nothing but object distance, that is u is equals to 10 centimeters. You know magnification formula, m is equals to minus v by u. What we have to find out? Position of the image, nothing but image distance. So m is equals to 4, that is equals to, use sign conventions for the concave mirror. So object distance become minus, so minus already there in the formula. V we don't know, so v as v, so u is equals to minus 10, therefore minus minus get cancelled, v equals to 10 into 4, 40 centimeters. So here v nothing but image, v here what? Image distance, image distance, how much? 40 centimeters. So whether it is positive or negative, it is positive value. So when do we get positive image on concave mirror? Generally we get negative sign for the image distance, but in only one situation we get positive value, when object is placed between pole and focus, then we get the image beyond the mirror, right? Already properties we know well. So position of the image is, position of the image is behind the mirror, that's it. Another problem, an object 20 centimeters from a spherical mirror give rise to a virtual image 15 centimeter behind the mirror. The type of the mirror and its focal length is dash. Let's find out. First of all, let us write given. So what are given here? Object distance u is equals to 20 centimeters and virtual image distance also given, that is 15 centimeters. What we have to find? Type of the mirror and focal length. So f is equals to how much? So using mirror formula, what is a mirror formula? Yes, you are right, 1 by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So which mirror it is actually, we don't know, we have to find, right? So object distance always negative for any mirror, whether it is concave or convex, object distance is negative. Image distance may be positive or negative. Okay, let's find out. So substitute all the values in the given equation. 1 by f is equals to 1 by minus 20 plus 1 by 15. So let's take the LCM of 20 comma 15, 15 comma 20 LCM. 5 3 is a 5 4 is a, so 5 3 is a 15, 15 4 is a 60, 60 is the LCM of 15 and 20. So 20 into 3 times, 3 into 1, 3 negative, so minus 3 will get plus 15 4 is a 4, 4 1 is a 4, so 4 minus 3, 1 by 60. So 1 by f is equals to 1 by 60, but we need f. So let's take the reciprocal of 1 by f is equals to f, then 1 by 60 become 60 centimeters. So what is the focal length? 60 centimeters. So focal length is positive value actually here. So if focal length is positive, then the mirror is convex mirror. So the type of mirror is convex. That's it. The next problem is an object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from a concave mirror. A focal length is 15 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to get the sharp image? So first of all we have to write the given, and from the question object is placed, so object distance u, that is 20 centimeters, and focal length small f 15 centimeters. So what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? Nothing but the image distance we have to find using mirror formula again. Mirror formula, so apply sign conventions. So how to use sign conventions, already I made a video, you know well, you go through it. So because it is a concave mirror, for the concave mirror object is always negative, so f is also negative. So what is mirror formula? 1 by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Substitute all the values in the given equation. 1 by f minus 15, 1 by u minus 20 plus 1 by v we have to find. Okay, so minus 1 by 20 goes to another side, become plus 1 by 20. So let me write 1 by v equals to minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 directly. So again find the LCM of 15 comma 20. 15 comma 20, 5 3s are 5 4s are, so 60 again. So 15 4s are 60, 4 will be there, 4 into 1 4, it gets the negative value, plus 20 3s are 60, 3 1s are 3. So we have 1 by v equals to minus 1 by 60 now. So consider, so 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 60, v, so reciprocal of 1 by v is equal to v, so minus 1 by 60 reciprocal, minus 60 centimeters. Therefore image distance is minus 60 centimeters. Okay, so minus here sign it, right? So at what distance this screen should be placed? It must be placed at a distance of 60 centimeters from the mirror. That's it. Okay children, so follow this and practice so many questions related to mirror formula. Okay, I hope you understand well. Thank you.